The data collected for Task 1 was 4th grade reading fluency. We use AimsWeb in the elementary, and we track it 3 times a year at the beginning, the middle, and the end. When collecting and reviewing the data, we looked at the average score of students compared to the score we needed, and then we also looked at the percent of students that were and were not meeting the targeted benchmark was a significant number. To address this issue, we developed a plan for improvement and we created a team. The team consisted of the Title I teacher, the 4th grade classroom teachers, the building administrator, and then also the curriculum specialist used as needed. We identified areas of improvement that the teachers needed, such as RTI and instructional strategies, and we based this decision off of what are the goals we established for addressing the reading fluency concern we had. When implementing the plan, we utilized the Title I, who collected our AimsWeb data, the 4th grade teachers, who are going to be implementing RTI and instructional strategies, and the building's principal, who would be doing walkthroughs to assess how the teachers were doing implementing RTI, what were the strengths, what were the weaknesses, and what were areas we still needed to address. We monitor the implementation using the AimsWeb, the data collected 3 times a year. We also used informal assessments that the teachers created to help keep our finger on where the kids are at and not just rely on the AimsWeb data. We used monthly data meetings to review the data classroom teachers were collecting. We used the walkthrough observation completed by the building administration to assess how we were doing in the area of RTI instruction. And we also utilized teacher surveys to give the teachers a chance to voice their opinion without having to identify themselves if they had a concern that they wanted stated without their name and face attached to it. What I have learned from this task is identifying the target area was not a challenge since it was a large area that needed addressing, but creating the plan, the team, creating the goals, it was a long process. It was worth it. And that collaboration between the classroom teachers, the building administration, the reading specialists was very important to keep us moving forward. A team approach is great because we get different opinions and ideas that we can't come up with just a couple of individuals. And the data collected helped us determine, were we meeting the goals that we established, what were areas that our kids were still struggling in, and how we could move forward and not backwards.